Hi, I'm going to walk you through the steps of changing the dressing of the Indwelling Pleural Catheter or IPC. The skin at the insertion site may be infected and bacteria can enter the chest through the catheter. It is very important to keep the dressing at the insertion site clean. First, clean your hands with soap and water or hand sanitizer. Do not touch any non-sterile areas like your hair, face, clothes or phone after cleaning your hands. Gently remove the existing dressing. For the gauze dressing, remove the transparent dressing. Uncoil the catheter, then remove the gauze dressing. For the foam dressing, remove the transparent dressing. Uncoil the catheter, then remove the foam dressing. Examine the skin around the insertion site to check for redness, swelling, pus or blood discharge, loose or broken stitches. Also make sure that the cuff is not visible outside of your body. Clean the tabletop with a disinfectant wipe. Clean your hands thoroughly. Make sure you have all these items laid out in front of you. You should have 3 pieces of alcohol swabs, 1 roll of transparent dressing, a pack of gauzes, 1 hand sanitizer, and a pair of clean scissors. Cut out 2 pieces of transparent dressing, each large enough to fully cover the gauze dressing. Remove the backing paper labeled "Remove First" and place it on the table with the sticky side facing up. Do so for the other transparent dressing. Open up the pack of gauzes. Clean your hands thoroughly. Clean the skin around the insertion site with an alcohol swab. Do so in a circular manner, moving the alcohol swab outwards away from the insertion site. Use a new alcohol swab to clean the skin further away from the insertion site. Gently clean the length of the catheter in a downward direction using a new alcohol swab. Do not try to pull or tug the catheter. Fold the gauze into half and apply it to the insertion site. Then, apply another folded gauze. Coil the catheter on top of the 2 gauzes and press it down to hold it in place. Place the remaining gauzes over the coil catheter. Apply a transparent dressing over the gauzes and remove the fixation strips. Apply the other transparent dressing in the same manner, smoothing it out to make sure it sticks nicely to the body. Here's a tip. Make sure that no part of the catheter sticks to the transparent dressing to prevent it from being tugged during the next change of dressing. Remember to clean your hands thoroughly after changing the dressing. Thanks and bye!